I think Ellipse is a very different program. The learning actually starts right at the application process itself. So the entire process of writing essays, there itself, you kind of start introspecting, you start looking into yourself. I think that's where the entire journey kind of begins. And the entire, the modules are paced in such a way that every time you go to a module, spend about 6-7 days in that module, and then you come back, digest the learnings that you've basically drawn in during that module. You get a chance to implement some of those things, and then there's another time to there's a time to basically go back to the next module. So I think the entire the way in which the program has been designed, I think for senior executives it works really well, because you're able to balance your basic duties, and then you're able to take time off from your work. I think the transformation starts right from the first module, when you see people coming from diverse backgrounds, people from diverse industries. Although this program is essentially meant for Indian audience, people come with all kinds of experience. Some people come with maybe 25-30 years of experience in, say, IT. Younger folks like me would come with corporate marketing experience. And the kind of interactions which happen during the module and post the module, through study groups, through various interactions, you basically build bonds during this program. And then there are programs like, there are modules built around career coaching, peer coaching. Those are the essential ingredients which add value to not just your personality, but also bring in professional transformation. When I was just about to switch over from my ex-company, which was Bharti Airtel, and I was during the transition phase, I actually took advice from this batchmate of mine, Pratyush, who basically gave me valuable tips on how to structure my compensation, especially given the fact that I was working for I would be joining a small consulting firm. So he gave me valuable tips on how to basically go ahead and negotiate my compensation structure with these guys. I would like to give you an example of a Malaysian company where we are trying to basically make inroads. And what I discovered was that the chief operating officer of the company was an INSEAD alum. And all it took was an email from me to him, and we immediately got an entry, and we were able to talk directly to him. I think for smaller firms and for people who are planning to start their own ventures, having a very potent, robust global alumni network, INSEAD alumni network, that really helps.